Dear IF customers, after you get on IF, you can start up the chair by pressing the bottom on the left armrest. For the first time, the default password is 4 zeros. When the password input interface pop up, you just press the M button for 4 times to confirm. After the self-checking process, you will enter the main interface. It shows if in parking gear and the exceeding driving mode, which can be indoor and outdoor modes. You can press the M button to enter the setting menu and then press the plus and minus button to switch modes. Push control stick to any direction to confirm. When you confirm the driving mode, you can press the plus and minus button to select speed limit from parking gear to 5th gear. After the desired speed is set, you can start driving IF. Press the M button to select translation function menu. Then, you can press the plus and minus button to shift the C back and forth by 120 mm. Similarly, press the M button to select the lifting function menu, and through the plus and minus button, you can lift the C up and down by 180 mm. Keep pressing the M button, you will see the headline brightness and volume menu. Same as the previous operation. You can press plus and minus button to adjust what you want according to needs. After the volume menu, you have system setting. Through the plus and minus button, password input interface will pop up again. You will need to enter the password to get in. Once you get in, the interface shows you 6 options: fingerprint input, fingerprint delete, password reset, no password, factory settings, and exit settings. Firstly, enter fingerprint input through the M button. According to screen and voice prompts, you put any finger on the fingerprint recognition board for 3 times. After successful input, the user will be able to start up directly through fingerprint identification and skip the password input. If the exceeding fingerprint is not needed or needs to be replaced, the fingerprint delete function can be selected to delete the fingerprint. Password reset allows users to change their original password or replace to their desired 4-digit password. Select the desired number by the plus and minus button and press the M button to confirm. Repeat this operation 4 times to set what you want this time. If the password is not required, the plus and minus button can be used to switch whether the password is needed. To restore the original setting, use factory settings. After all required settings, use exit settings to return to the parking status interface. We have the handbrake under the back of the chair. Once the handbrake is open outward, IF is free to push around by human power. If you need to charge it, you need to use the special charger that comes with it. Connect the charging head with the direct charging interface and plug in the power supply to start charging. Thank you for using IF Intelligent Scooter. May IF accompany you to spend a good life every day and that every move go as you wish.